Guys, can you see me in the dark? Um, we're doing all right. It's freezing. There's a blizzard going on right now. No one's allowed on the roads. I mean, you are, but you're driving at your own risk. Um, we're in the RV right now, and only two of us decided to stay in here because everyone else is staying inside Prairie Nights. They opened up the auditorium for people because it's just way too cold for anyone to sleep outside. Like you could, like I don't know if you guys can see it. Like I'm breathing, just like you could see the air. And that's inside an RV. Now think about all the people inside, like the tents and the yurts. Actually, the yurts and the tents have fires within them. So, I mean teepees. And the tents, people in the tents probably have portable heaters, and we've got like one, doesn't quite do much. Oh, thank you, Stacy. Yeah, I got a bunch of trolls on my page. I love the trolls. Um, yeah, we've got a ton of blankets and um, two portable heaters, the Mr. Buddy heaters. But just to show you guys, how cold it is. I don't even think you can see it on the camera. But yeah. We got the RV kind of set up, kind of. It's just the snowstorm is like crazy. Um, yeah, it's a really bad snowstorm. Like when you're walking out there, make sure you got gloves, you're layered up, and you have goggles. 'Cause the wind hits pretty hard, and it kind of just like sprays all over your face, and it hurts. It's all good though. This is what we signed up for. No dapple.
No dapple.
No dapple. What's everyone else up to? Jen, we're just trying to layer up, and we've got blankets and these little body heat, if you have someone that works too. Those little portable heaters and the electric heaters also. Most of the people like that are in RVs, they're usually working pretty well. We remember I told you guys we had bought this one at a decent price. Not everything works in it, but it's keeping the snow out, and we don't have to deal with that.
So, like, for example, it doesn't run. That's what you mean.
Yeah, it doesn't run, but that's okay. Jen said cuddle. Yep. We're on that one. What's up, Isha? Hope you guys are staying warm. Everyone that's out here in the camps, please stay warm. The cold is very real. If you don't have gloves, go get yourself a pair. If you don't have decent boots, make sure to get some boots that stay dry. If as soon as your clothing gets wet, please change out of it. Change into some warm clothing. Dry and warm clothing. Here. See that? That's my best friend right now. Watch out for resistance camp baby. We call them no dapple babies. Also, I just wanted to, I got some friends out in Bismarck, Jesse and Haley. Their car got stuck in a ditch. If you're out in Biz and you can give them a ride back down to camp tomorrow, please do. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be making my way up to Biz tomorrow. It's like, it's the car that we have rented. I don't think it could even make it up that far. So if you're coming down from Biz to the camps, please, if you could PM me, and then I'll reach out to Jesse and Haley, and we'll try to set that up. Also, a friend of mine who just flew back in had a room reservation in Bismarck, and as soon as she got there, and from what I was told is that they stared her up and down, and they knew that she was probably coming to the camps. They denied her room and said that they had given it away. Now, that's pretty fucked up if you ask me. But that's the reality of it. And also, I don't know if you guys have caught my boy Dean's live feed when he was confronted by some people trying to pretty much. Oh, the Danae crew is stuck up there. They got a room. Oh, okay. Yeah, hopefully they could sort that out. But also, that's the type of racism that we're facing out here too. Like, go up to Biz, you go up to Mandan. That's what, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna say everyone is like that, because, there are good people up there. But, it's just crazy to think that it's 2016 and, all that stuff is happening. It's been happening for hundreds and thousands of years, so no fucking surprise. Dean, our drone guy. Yeah, I mean, he had given me a call when that happened, so it's like I couldn't even make it up there, and that's how bad the roads are. Got a ton of cars just parked like in ditches, and in like spots they probably shouldn't be parked in, but there's no way to move them. So once again, be very careful when you're driving out here. Drive slowly. Try not to stay too close to the cars in front of you, or no sudden brakes, none of that. Gotta learn how to drive in the snow. This weird post by a troll.
Have gravel with you when you're driving.
Have gravel with you when you're driving. Also, what's it called? Wooden planks. Like, in case your car gets stuck, you can.
And a shovel.
And a shovel. You too, Isha. You and your crew stay warm too. We're gonna try. We should be all right. I mean, this is nothing. It's not even like pepper spray or anything. This is fine. I can do this. But yeah, we'll check in with you guys in the morning. Hopefully we don't freeze. I think we'll be all right, right? Yeah, chains can be used on tires. I think that would be helpful for certain cars, like people who are driving the Priuses. This is not the weather to be driving a Prius in. I mean, some cars I've seen make it, like little Honda Accords. They've done great jobs, but for the most part, the cars that are in the ditches, I've seen like Priuses. So be very careful when you're driving the Prius and like lowered cars, and if you don't have good tires and whatnot. But I'll check in with you guys tomorrow morning. Everyone have a good night and rest easy. And everyone, for all my folks here at the camps, please stay warm. And layer up and use whatever you can to get some heat. So good night, guys.